perspectives.
Hi everyone. I'm going to talk about nature. Um, and I will start with a quote. It says, "If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere." I really liked this quote because if you look around, there is always nature everywhere. Nature is really beautiful. You find it in a little seed, for example. And even if you look at yourself in the mirror, you are part of nature. Uh, when you are being created in your mother's womb through everything that she feeds that comes from the earth, that's what we are made of. Um, I read that in ancient times, nature meant birth. So that was really interesting for me. We are all surrounded by nature, even though humanity have been destroying green areas. Nature is always growing, showing up as beautiful as it is. Within the uh, various uses of the word today, nature um, often refers to geology and wildlife. Um, so it can refer of like animals, living plants, or in some cases to uh, inanimated objects. Saying that, I mean in things that exist or change, as the weather, for example. So, nature can refer to the phenomena of the physical world and also to life in general. And my three topics that I will talk about are nature dive, natural medicine, and also bees. Um, natural dye are dyes or colorants uh, derived from plants, invertebrates, or minerals. The majority of natural dyes are vegetable dyes from plant sources, roots, berries, bark, leaves, and wood, and other biological sources such as fungi. As you can see here in the photograph, that are vegetables and fruits. And it's so cool that we can obtain natural light from natural things. And here I have some examples that these colors or dye colors came from animals. For example, from this one, that the name is cochineal insect, we can obtain the red color. From cow urine, we can obtain yellow. Um, from black insect is similar to this one. We can obtain red and also violet. From murex snail, we can obtain a purple color, is this one. And from the octopus, we can obtain a brown color. And also we can, from nature, obtain medicine. Um, the most dominant natural medicine source is plants. As we can see here in the photographs, we have medicine as aspirin, for example. Aspirin helps to reduce fever or pain in the muscles, toothache, or headaches, for example. And also we can, and this came from this tree, that the name is willow tree bark, um, digoxin. um, it helps to heart problems, to control your heart rate, and it came from a flower, this flower. And the last one that I have here is morphine. Morphine, it is used to treat severe pain. For example, after an surgery that you have like a really difficult pain in your body. All or also you can use it that people that is suffering from cancer. So it is really helpful. And this plant and bees. Bees fulfill a fundamental function for the balance of the ecosystems. That is pollination. Um, this is the greatest contribution of bees. They are pollinators, um, and that helps of the to the plants that produce 90% of the world's food. Um, so we really depend on bees to eat. So that's really crazy. That's why they are really important for us. And we really need to take care of them because without the work that they do um, doing this, maybe we couldn't have food. Um, it is believed if they become extinct, all flowering plants will also disappear. So bees also have um, like from them we can obtain medical products and we can use it for fatigue, dizziness, hepatitis, constipation, and many others illness. So last, as a conclusion, um, we can see that nature is life. Uh, we really need it to live. Uh, Everything that we eat comes from earth, so we really need to take care of nature. Nature is everywhere. Wherever we see, there is always nature, and we also are part of nature. We were made from things from the earth, so this is really interesting. And that's it. I don't know if you have any questions, girls.
Hi, Carolina. Nice, really nice presentation. I really like your topic, and I want to ask you something. And is that what functions do we have, do bees have in daily life by which we must save them?
Okay. As I mentioned before, um, bees play like a crucial role in pollination. Um, they use their hair on their bodies to carry large grains of pollen between plants. And we can say that uh, bees are essential for the growth of many plants, including food. So if if there are no bees, maybe we couldn't have food. So that's why they are really important.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, Carol, I have another question for you. Um, is there any natural medicine that you usually take?
Um, well, no, I don't take any natural medicine right now. Um, but I have known some people that uh, take natural medicine, and they say that it is really good for their health. And yeah, I believe that's true because nature is nature. we we are created by nature. So right now, I don't do it, but I think that it really helps a lot.
Okay.
Thank you for your question.
Thank you.
Okay, Carla. So first, let me tell you that I acquired a lot of knowledge of your presentation. So thank you for that.
Mm.
And can you tell me where can I get some natural medicine here in Guatemala?
Well, there are some natural pharmacies. I think in zone 1, there are several different. And also I know that in some um, like I forgot the name. um, Magazines, like they sell some natural medicine. So maybe you can ask or search in Google Google Maps, where you can find some medicine, natural medicine.
Okay, thank you for that.
Okay, thank you guys. See you soon.